Hello and welcome to Exams Made Easy. Friends, I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss an engineering recruitment notification that has been published by Bharat Electronics Limited. Bharat Electronics Limited or BEL is going to recruit trainee engineers and project engineers in various engineering disciplines. Through this video, we'll be discussing this recruitment notification in detail and what are the educational qualifications required, what are the number of vacancies, what is the application procedure, everything else will be discussed. So friends, before we begin, if you are watching our videos for the first time, then I would like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get each and every engineering recruitment notifications. So if you have not yet subscribed our channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. So friends, coming back to the recruitment notification analysis, friends, for various posts, place of posting will be various cities of India. Like if you look at this post, trainee engineer category 1, for this post place of posting will be Mumbai, total number of vacancies 20. And if you look at the various engineering discipline wise vacancy, then for electronics number of vacancies 16, for mechanical engineering number of vacancies 4, and friends, various category wise vacancies like general 6, ST 3, ST 2, OBC 6, EWS 3. And friends, educational qualification is BE or BTech from reputed institute, university, following engineering discipline: electronics and communication, mechanical with first class degree but pass class for SC, ST and person with disabilities. And friends, should have minimum 6 months or relevant post qualification experience. That means the fresher candidates are not eligible for those posts. If you have at least 6 months post qualification experience, then you are eligible to apply for the said post. So friends, maximum age limitation is 25 years as on 1st July 2020, and consolidated monthly remuneration of 25,000, 28,000 and 31,000 will be provided during first year, second year and third year of contractual period respectively. Coming to the next post friends, that is project engineer, total number of vacancies 30. For the post of project engineer, you will be placed in Bengaluru as you can see here on the screen. And friends, category as vacancy, if you look at, for electronics category number of vacancies 16, for mechanical number of vacancies 14. And if you look at various discipline wise vacancy, for general 12, SC 5, ST 2, OBC 8, EWS 3. And for project engineer 1, educational qualification is also same like the previous post, and first class is required for general category of candidates and pass class is required for SC, ST and PWD candidates. And friends, if you look at the experience, 2 years post qualification experience in the relevant field is required, and 6 months was for the first post. And friends, age limitation is 25 years on 1st of July 2020. Consolidated monthly remuneration of 35,000, 40,000, 45,000 and 50,000 respectively will be paid for the first, second, third and fourth consecutive years. And upper age relaxation of 5 years for SC, ST category of candidates, 3 years for OBC category of candidates and 10 years for person with disabilities is permissible as per government norms. So friends, what is the procedure of application? This is the website as you can see here on the screen, by following which you can get each and every information regarding the selection of candidates. So friends, I'd like to inform you that you have to pay rupees 200 as application fee for trainee engineer and rupees 500 for the project engineer. And for SC, ST and person with disability candidates, no application fee is required. And friends, what is the procedure of application? As I have already mentioned, this is the website by following which you can get each and every information, and this is the website by following which you can apply online also. The link to apply online is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link, you can apply online. And friends, application procedure has already been started from 22nd July 2020 and it will continue till 2nd of August 2020. So friends, let me inform you one important thing, that after applying online, you have no need to send the printout copy or hard copy to any particular address. You just have to keep that copy with yourself for further correspondence. So friends, if you would like to download the PDF copy of analysis that I am discussing now, you can get it from the link that is available in the description box, or friends you can download the same from our Telegram channel. So friends, if you have not yet subscribed our channel, once more time I would like to request that please subscribe and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any engineering recruitment updates. Thank you.